question belongs to programming subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 SET-3. So the question states, consider the following C program. So here we have the C program. The number of times printf statement is executed is. So here we have 3 printf statements inside a switch case. So we need to tell number of times printf is executed. Okay, let us see. So here we have I, j and k. So I value is 0, j value is 0, k value is 0. All are integers. Now we have a computation for j. So it is given j equals to 2 into 3 divided by 4 plus 2.0 divided by 5 plus 8 divided by 5. See how it computes. So the rule is multiply and divide has higher precedence than plus and minus. So here only plus is there. So multiply and divide has higher precedence than plus. And all are left to right associative. Okay. So first we will have 2 into 3. Then the result would be done divisible by 4. Then we will have 2.0 divided by 5. We will have 8 divided by 5. Let us see how it does. So 2 into 3 is 6. We have 6 by 4 plus 2.0 by 5. So 2.0 is a double number or a floating point number. So we have implicit conversion. 5 also converted to a decimal value. We get 5.0. So 2.0 divided by 5.0 is 0.4 plus 8 by 5. Here both are integer values. So we will have integer division. So 5 by 8 will be 1. J equals to, this is also integer division. We will get 1 plus 0.4 plus 1, which is equals to 2.4. Now this floating point value is assigned to an integer j. See, j is integer. So it gets converted from float to integer. So it becomes 2. So j value becomes 2 instead of 2.4. Now let me clear this stuff out. Now we have for loop. So for loop runs for I equals to 0. So what is, now we have k values. So k is k minus equals to minus minus j. So what is x minus equals to 3? So it is equals to x minus 3. So it is equals to k minus 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 j. So what is minus minus j? It is pre-decrement. So j value is decremented by 1. So here we get 1. Now k is, what is the k value? K value is 0. So k equals to 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. So k value becomes minus 1. Okay. Now we have a I loop from I equals to 0, I is less than 5. Which means I runs for I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have 5 loops. Now in this each we have switch I plus k. We have switch I plus k. So what is switch I plus k? I is 0, k is minus 1. So it becomes switch of minus 1. Okay. So what happens in switch of minus 1? See, we have no case. If no case matches, we go by default. So default is one print statement. So number of print statements are 1. Okay. Now we have in the next loop we have I equals to 1. So this is done. Now we have I equals to 1. In I equals to 1 we have switch 1 plus k is minus 1. So we have switch of 0. So switch of 0. So we do not have any case 0. So we do default. So print 1. Now we have I equals to 2 and k equals to minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We have switch of 1. Switch of 1. So if there is, we will do all the execution till we get a break or we go to the end of the switch. So there is no break. So we will do all this execution. We will do print, print, print. So we have 3 prints. Now we have I equals to 3. We have switch of 3 minus 1, which is 2. Switch of 2. So switch of 2. So case 2 is printed. So this is done. There is no break. So this is done. This is done. We have 3 print statements. Now case 4. Switch 4. So I is 4. We have switch of 4 minus 1. Switch of 3. Switch of 3. So which means these 2 print statements are done. So 2 prints are done. Now in the next loop I becomes 5 and we come out of the loop. So number of print statements are 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. So total 10 print statements are printed during the execution of this entire code. So answer is 10.